Hi there, my name is Elisa Garbish. I serve as the coordinator for residential academic programs here at Missouri State University, and I'm really excited to share with you a new graduate assistant opportunity here at Missouri State. We are welcoming aboard an assistant coordinator for residential academic programs for the fall of 2013. This could be you. I want to share with you first a little bit of information about our Living Learning Community program, as this assistant coordinator would work directly with myself and the Living Learning communities. We have 7 Living Learning communities on our campus beginning fall of 2013. Our newest community is the Bears Business Community. It's a community for first-year students who are studying within our College of Business. We also have a community for students that are still deciding their majors or exploring their majors. We call this our Deciding Student LLC. We have a community for students interested in fitness, wellness, healthy living, nutrition. This is our Fit and Well Living Learning community. For those students that are studying within the healthcare professions, we have our Healthcare Professional LLC, and this is a partnership with our College of Health and Human Services. We have a Traditional First Year Experience LLC. We have a partnership with our College of Natural and Applied Sciences for our physical science, math, and engineering students. And then for those students who currently are in an LLC and want to continue the Living Learning community experience, we have an opportunity for females to be part of our sophomore year experience or a second year experience. Now, as the assistant coordinator, you would have the pleasure and honor of working with all operations and aspects of our Living Learning community. Everything from administrative tasks, so budgeting, paperwork, computer input, data assessment, to planning programs, planning events. We have an annual banquet that you would be part of the planning process. We also have a faculty fellow program that you would work with and assist me in the recruitment of our faculty fellows, which are volunteers here at our university that say that they want to be part of our Living Learning community. You would also help with marketing and recruitment for all 7 of our communities, and also work with our planning teams that are part of those communities. I mentioned before supervision of student staff. You'd assist me in the selection, training, supervision, and evaluation of 13 residential programming assistants. Our residential programming assistants is a unique position to our campus, and they serve as the primary programmers on our Living Learning community floors. In addition to supervision, you'd also work with public relations. What this means is, once again, the marketing and recruitment for all of our programs. Training across campus, not just for our student staff, but also for our university partners, our admissions office, our SOAR or orientation leaders, and any other departments or areas on campus that want to learn more about the Living Learning communities. Of course, you'd also represent the Living Learning Community Program, as well as the Department of Residence Life, Housing, and Dining Services at functions that you are asked to be at, or that together we're asked to be at. Of course, this position also will have other duties as assigned. Some of those duties we know of at this point in time. You will participate in one of our departmental committees. This could be anything or any committee from professional development to recruitment for our student staff, selection of our student staff, or training of our student staff. In addition to a departmental committee, we'll also provide you with some support to develop as a professional. So we do have some professional development funds available. And of course, I do want to mention you'll gain the valuable experience of being on call on our campus for crisis situations, crisis management, and areas as such. Now, you've heard a lot about the Assistant Coordinator for Residential Academic Programs position, and I'm really excited for you to consider this opportunity and for you to be part of our team.